Mbeke. Mbeke. Mbeke.
Sir. Where are you, sir?
I'm in the garden. Come over immediately. When is your birthday coming up?
It should be next week Friday, sir.
Next week Friday.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what? I will give you a surprise package. I will buy a lot of birthday gifts for you.
You mean me?
You! Come over. Come. Just come. Don't be afraid. Come. You know that I love you so much. Stand so that I take your exam measurements. Alright? Just stand erect and drop your hands. Don't shake now. Don't shake. No, show me your back. Stand erect. Don't look at me. Stay quiet so that I get the exact measure. Turn this way again. $25. Yes.
Chifo mekago. 28. Chifo mekago. Chifo mekago.
Why are those foolish people disturbing the peace and quiet of this house at this time of the night? Are you sure my son is not there? Anyway, even if he's there, I wait for him here until he returns. I've warned Onochie several times not to keep late nights, but he will not listen. Because he's very stubborn and strong-headed. I will wait for him. Even if he comes back in the morning, I will stay here and wait for him. I will wait for him here. I got a chance, must come back. I wait for him.
Why are you screaming like a little girl?
Mommy, take it easy, yo. Mommy, take it easy. Mommy.
Did I not tell you to be careful of your father? But you will not listen to me. Now he has broken your arm. I will leave you.
Mommy, this is painful. Mommy, it's painful. It's painful. Mommy, this is painful. Mommy, this is getting out of hand, though. Mommy, why would Daddy be treating us like kids? Mommy, I'm no longer a kid though. I'm an adult. Daddy should respect that.
I told you to listen to your father. Obey his rules and stay out of his trouble. Eh? I won't be surprised tomorrow if he breaks your neck. Stop screaming. Let it pay you well. So the next time you listen to me. Give me your hand, I beg.
Okay, Mommy. No, my hand is good now, Mommy. Mommy is good now. No. Mommy, I'm fine. The hand is fine now.
It's fine.
Mommy, Mommy, look good.
Thank you.
This one you're gorgeously dressed. It seems you're going for a party.
I'm not going to any party. Just want to visit someone nearby.
Okay. Okay, Mom. All right, take care of yourself.
You too.
So bye, Mom.
The conversation party you had with your father, how did it go?
Oh, it went well, Mom. I convinced him I'm going to turn a new leaf. But he still nurtures that fear that I am a cultist. But you know what, Mom? I am going to beat him in his own game this time around.
Did he believe you?
Of course.
Please, tell me another story. You know what? Anyone that sees you will definitely know that you are a cultist.
Mom! Do I look like a cultist?
Are you one?
Your son.
I don't know.
Okay. I even swore an oath to convince him. So.
You did what?
I swore an oath to convince him.
Don't you dare swear unnecessarily again, else thunder will strike you dead. Just be careful with the kind of friends you keep, that's all. Don't keep getting yourself into trouble. If you are a big boy, act like one. Maybe when I go out now, I don't know where you're going to fly to, and then fly in another trouble. Bye-bye. If you like, go to Kotobu.
I'm going to manage this whole cases, Mom. Take care, Mom. Bye.
Come here. Turn around. I said turn around! Why are you doing like imbecile? I said turn around. What are you wearing?
It's the clothes that Daddy bought, the dress that Daddy bought for me.
Daddy bought this dress for you? What is he trying to prove by buying this dress for you? Where is he?
Honey! Ah, sweetheart, you're back. You're welcome.
She said you bought this dress for her.
What is wrong with it?
There is everything wrong about this dress.
Nothing. If not that you want to nag this morning, what is wrong with this dress she's wearing?
Oh, I want to nag.
Yes.
What are you trying to prove by buying this kind of dress for her? Eh? Oh, she has to dress like this to appear neat and fashionable. Is that what you're telling me?
You mean that a house girl who is living with a big family such as ours should not wear a neat and fashionable dress? Mommy, you are just being jealous.
Is that what you're telling me?
Why?
Okay, so you're now telling me that the way I'm dressed, I don't look fashionable. I don't look neat. Fine. If you like that kind of dress, why have you not bought it for me just for one day?
Mommy, just wait. Just hold on there. Are you trying to deny me in public that I have not been providing good dresses for you?
Should I bought it for me?
Are you going to throw yourself into a small girl? Mommy, leave her alone. Mommy, leave. Mommy, leave her alone.
I love you so much. I don't know why you just decide to stay away from me.
No, please don't say that. It's not my fault. Come on, my hands are tied.
I don't understand.
My father warned me not to go out again. Else, he would disown me. So what do you want me to do?
Your father must be a wicked man. Does he want to quarantine you as Ebola patient? Why?
You know I am his only daughter. He doesn't want me to hang around with men so that they will not spoil me. Just understand him.
Is your father a castrated man? Eh? Does he not chase other women? See.
Honey, calm down, okay?
Hola. Do you know I love you so much? Let's keep the fire of our love burning. Do you know you mean everything to me? You're the only treasure I have left in this world. You mean everything to me.
I love you too, okay? I love you, but what do you want me to do now?
Okay. When do I see you again?
You will see me soon, but right now, I really have to go, okay? My father will be looking for me now. Please, let's see some other time, okay? I love you too.
Hola. Are you going? Are you leaving me here?
It's not that I'm leaving you. I need to go home.
Listen, I love you so much. Okay, you want to go, fine. Just give me a goodbye kiss. No, it's been long. I
Okay, fine. Well, you know my father.
Yes! Go! Go on and kiss each other. Stay there! Stay there! Lover boy and lover girl. Kiss each other. So, you brought her here.
No, sir. No,
At this
what you
serene place in order to rape her.
Ha, Dad! Dad! Not true.
Come back here. Come back. If you run now, I will use this thing and chop up that nonsense in between your legs that makes you try to rape my daughter. Say stand there. What makes you get in love with this he-goat? Eh? What attracts you to him? So...
Dad! Dad, leave it! You kill him now! Dad!
Shut up! Come.
What is wrong with that? I want to break you down.
I'll kill you today! Come here! Leave me alone! I'll kill you today! Look at this prostitute! This wayward girl! I will kill you today so that when next time you see men, you keep away from them because you know that most of them are wicked. Yes!
What did you do?
I didn't do anything now.
Okay, Phyllis! I see. I want to ask you a question. What is going on? Why did I decide to disturb myself, my peace this afternoon? Now you are calling me to because of the job security of this compound. And you are here, running like small picking. Can you stand here? Am I crazy? I respect you because of Lelo. If I am not in good times with mothers, I will disturb something. I was ready to shoot. Am I pushing? I'm a robber is pushing me. Okay, Yelia, small madam. What's wrong with me? Me and my brother was fighting. I was getting ready to shoot me.
Go back to me before I hit you. Go. Tell her what you did.
Mama, I went to Obina to collect my lecture note, and luckily for me, along the road when I was coming back home, I saw him, and I collected the notebook,
and what? Liar! Tell the both of them what you and Obina were doing under that tree when I saw you. Tell them!
It's not true. I did not understand what is in the notebook.
What did you do?
I did not understand what is in the notebook. I asked Obina to explain everything to me. He was explaining it, nothing else.
So you won't tell them now that the both of you were kissing. You won't tell them now that the both of you were kissing and foraging under your loose clothes. And you were trying to do suku there.
Hey,
Deny it.
That is not true. Why are you trying to castigate me for nothing?
So I'm telling lies in my house.
It's just a platonic relationship. I don't have any other thing with Obina.
Platonic relationship, where you want to use big grammar to cover your faults, okay?
See, it's obvious you love your daughter. I know you love her very much, but you can't marry her. Huh?
Papa is okay. Look at how you were pursuing Olama. If you fall on the road now, me, your son now will start suffering, carrying you up.
It's not all of us that will suffer.
You wound yourself now. It's not me that will come and carry you up, Papa. It's okay now. Eh? She said she did not do it. So leave her.
I'm not surprised. The both of you can say anything, believe anything. But as long as I remain the head of this family, the rectitude I want in this family must be there. No matter what you believe, we will see who wins this cold war in the end. I'll get you next time. Nonsense.
And you, if you kiss that boy, go and brush
I didn't do
your
anything now.
I can brush your mouth.
Are you sure? Are you sure she did something?
Platonic friend. Your platonic friend.
Do you know that my dad is tightening all the loose ends to his resolve to keep me indoors forever? Can you imagine that? Yesterday I was with Obina. I wanted to collect my lecture note from him. So we were discussing, you know now, all of a sudden my dad came in. He started insulting me and Obina, calling us names. The worst of it all is that he even accused us of making love in the bush there. Can you imagine that? I don't know. In fact, Amaram, the whole thing is really bothering me. It's giving me a headache.
Don't mean it. This is a sick joke.
You can say that again.
So, what do you intend doing?
What I will do?
Yeah?
What do you want me to do? In this kind of a case, what do you expect? If you are in my shoe, tell me, what will you do? I don't think there is a solution to my problem. Honestly, I don't think so. It's only God. I'm praying to God just come and intervene in this matter. I'm tired. I am tired. Everything is really choking me. I'm tired. You don't understand.
Relax, okay? There is solution to every problem.
Solution?
Yeah.
To this particular problem now?
Yes.
Akokone, I don't think there's a solution to my problem. There is no solution to my problem. but seriously, why are you laughing? What was amusing you? I am here telling you my problem. I called you here to tell you my problems as my friend. So what you should be doing now is to encourage me. Come up with something. Let's look for solution, not laughing. Please, I'm not calling for this now. If you have anything to say, you say it. If you don't have, just tell me. Let me just go.
Fine. Since you say so, we know how to solve it, okay? Just calm down. You know me, you know what I can do. Trust me. Yeah.
I should trust you. Fine, I'll trust you. You know why? Because you're cunning, and at the same time, wise a little. So no problem.
So,
I'll be fine. I'll just try to be fine.
Man, I'm cash strapped and hungry. I need raw cash, man.
You dey feel wetin this idiot dey talk. See, no be only you. Me, I'm broke. I'm in a fix right now, a kind of fix, you know. So cut the crap, bro.
Chai, nah, man. Now I'm good. I'm at the crossroads, man. I'm owing a lot of people and they're on my neck asking me to pay them. Nah, we need money. Ego, we need money.
No more, matter red for my side, dude. Waiting at the reason now, so I go take risks 200,000 naira. Bros, 200k. Why I go use sort things where they school? Because as I did that school, now I need tidy many lectures. All those people will want to run me down for that school. But they are old, You see, me I go run them down because I must raise that money.
I'm surprised at you. You where they live for ocean. They complain say water no day. Check am now.
See, bro. Wetin Cobra yarn na true. I mean, your father is a rich man. He's fuckingly rich. If anybody should be complaining about bad weather or not having anything, it shouldn't be you. Okay? It's supposed to be us. Us. So,
just they talk anyhow. So you never hear say big talk saying children no go inherit in wealth. I been for my father I dey taste that.
That one not for Yankee Joe.
Come on. Bros, make I tell you something. See that man? You see, my father hates me a lot and I know it. But guy, relax. I go change them for her now. As I change them now, I play another blues, play another reggae, play even Diallo enter. The man go know say me self as in they see me for house, don't be so happy. Mama the reason first.
This is a serious matter. What you go do now? What you go do?
My brothers, I think I have an idea. Why don't we go and scout for those rich people? Those people will get people for Yankee, where they sell them dollars, eh? No, they feel me.
Guy, if you go there empty-handed, we need kara, we need we need stainless, we need kara. Guy, chief, we need kara.
Come on, I like this cigar reasoning don't show.
You mean that?
I tell you, you know say you like cigar, nothing. But as I light my own sense don't come, you don't give me reasoning. I must see as we are going to start raising money from my family.
Huh?
Yes. You see?
Are you for real?
Yes. Any of you know my sister here?
No.
Sabi my sister? You know Nambi?
I don't know your sister.
Okay. See, let me tell you, my father loves my sister so much. And the plan now be say, we go kidnap that girl. As we kidnap him, guy, you see that my father, he go pay. Because now in love, as we kidnap him, we go bill him. Papa go bring money sharply.
That's all.
No, who this is?
Hold on. Maga won't pay.
Look at well. Na business, so I know say make you go the reason the fine girl matter. Reason na the face you go the look. Look and well.
Ego.
Ego. See. Guys, I'm so sorry. I won't partake in this dirty business. You know, my profession forbids it. Okay? See you guys.
Cobra, which kind of talk be that?
Nah, guys, sit down. Guy, we're here.
Huh?
Guys, sit down.